Hey folks, this is Brian with Spacebound DIY. Today we're going to talk about how you relearn your tire pressure monitoring system transmitters on the 2016 to 2019 Chevrolet Cruze, so second generation Chevrolet Cruze vehicles. Alright, so you start your car and you've got this happy little notice here, service tire monitor system. So you notice the check mark, so you're going to come over here, hit the check mark to clear that error. Alright, and you've got your speedometer. So next we're going to scroll over to your maintenance menus. Oh, this one also needs the battery charging system. And you'll see here your tire pressures are all showing as not showing. So if you start up here, just scroll down to tire pressures. So you're going to hold the check mark button until you get that prompt. Are you sure that you want to relearn? The answer is yes. So we're going to click yes. Alright, that double chirp you just heard there lets you know that it's ready to relearn. So tire learning active. Make sure that you go ahead and clear that notification message. Learning in progress. Okay, so what we're going to see on this vehicle, because I know the passenger side front tire has a bad sensor on it, we're only going to be able to reset the first one, but I'll show you how it works so that you can do your own. Alright, so the important thing here is that you do them in the right order. So you notice that the light is on here on the driver's side mirror. You also see that the light is on for the driver's side turn signal. You'll notice it's not on over here, and you won't find it on the rear either. So what happens is you hit each one of these sensors, it will go ahead and move the lights for you. So I'm going to use this cheap little tool here. I'll put a link to this tool down in the description below. It's less than 10 bucks. You should hold the button and you should hear a chirp. Alright, so that lets you know that that one has now been paired to the appropriate section on the computer. You see here that now this light is on. So next you would come down here. Here's the replacement sensor that I'll be putting in. And you would do the same thing here. Now again, this one hasn't been picking up, so I don't believe we're going to get it to work here. And we don't. So ideally, that would chirp. You would then move around. You can see here that the light is on. You would move around to the rear. That one would chirp. Then you would hit this one. That one would chirp. You would get the double chirp, and everything would be back to normal. So once you get done with that, you should have your menu back to where everything's reading again and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get this sensor changed out on my vehicle, and we'll do this again. Hopefully this has helped you out. Even if I'm not able to finish the process right now, you should be able to, as long as your sensors are good. If one of your sensors is bad, you can purchase new sensors and try to replace them yourself. It is difficult to get the tire off the rim, so you might want to go ahead and have a professional do that. If I put a video together to do that, then I'll go ahead and link that in the description below. If this has helped you at all, please like, subscribe, comment, all those standard things. Really helps the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.